Hey there, laundry lovers. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for a perfectly organized laundry room, the dryer sheet holder, dispenser, acrylic container storage box. Made of premium 4mm sturdy acrylic, this sleek and transparent container allows you to see when you're running low on dryer sheets and easily refill it. With a large capacity, this multifunctional container can hold up to 200 PCS 8.7x6. 3 dryer sheets, and we even provide labels for you to organize other laundry essentials like clothespins, dry balls, and laundry pods. Plus, the lid with a rhinestone ensures that the scent of your dryer sheet stays fresh and doesn't escape. Not only is this container practical, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your laundry room. You can place it on top of your dryer or washing machine for easy access and a neat, organized look. And don't worry about the initial smell of the acrylic. A quick wash with soap and water will leave it smelling fresh and clean. So, if you're ready to elevate your laundry room game and keep everything in its place, make sure to check out the dryer sheet holder, dispenser, acrylic container storage box. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Trust me, once you start using this, you won't know how you ever did laundry without it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fantastic laundry organization tips and products. Happy Laundry Day, everyone!